Student, today I'm going to explain about our another part of substance abuse. Understand? Alcohol is also the substance. Alcohol drugs is and includes in substance. Alcohol abuse. Alcohol becomes the drug choice for adolescents. Alcohol becomes the drug choice for adolescents because of the peer group pressure, social acceptance, and easy accessibility. Most of them take alcohol as defense against depression, anger, fear, and anxiety. Most of the adolescents or most of the youth take alcohol as defense against their own depression, anger, fear, and anxiety. Now, effects of alcohol. What's the effects of alcohol? Cirrhosis of liver, malabsorption syndrome, delirium, tremors, gastritis, suicide, head injury and fractures, alcoholic hypoglycemia, and ketoacidosis. This is some effects of alcohol. Understand? Social effects of alcohol are there are some social effects of alcohol. Understand? How society affects by alcohol, and it is called social effects of alcohol. Accidents, divorce, criminal behavior, financial problems, social disharmony. This is some society's problem arises due to using alcohol. Body fluid, alcohol levels and effects. Understand here? Fluids means using liquid to transit power. Body fluid, alcohol levels and effects means how much alcohol fluid level by ml, how much alcohol fluid level by ml, and each affects the body. Understand? Blood and urinary alcohol concentration represents the behavioral sensation effects of alcohol. Here, blood and alcohol concentration level of 200 to 300 milligram in percentage very dangerous to human body. Blood and urinary alcohol consumption rate 300 to 350 milligram in percentage. Presence of hypothermia, cold sweats, and dysentery of human body. Blood and urinary alcohol consumption rate 350 to 400 milligram in percentage may lead to occurrence of coma and respiratory depression of anyone of human body. Blood and urinary alcohol consumption rate 400 milligram in percentage, death can occur of anyone. Understand? This is some body fluid alcohol levels and effects of human body. Now, opioids use. What is opioids? Opioids is one type of drugs. Opioids are the substance or drugs that commonly produces dependence. The commonly used opioids are morphine, heroin, methadone. Morphine, heroin, methadone are includes in opioids substance. Chronic ill effect of opioids use include Parkinson, peripheral neuropathy, skin infections, AIDS, etc. Understand? Some diseases will be arise for the use of morphine, heroin, methadone. Understand? These all are included in opioids substance. Cannabis use. Cannabis is the substance. Cannabis is also the substance of drugs which produce very mild physical dependence and mild withdrawal syndrome like fine tremors, irritability, restlessness, isomania. Understand? This will be arises due to use of cannabis. The active ingredient cannabis is marijuana. Understand? Marijuana is includes in the group of cannabis. Marijuana is one type of drug using by drug users. The ill effects of cannabis use include the psychiatric disorders like anxiety, anxiety, paranoid, psychosis, etc. These disorders will be arise for the use of marijuana. Marijuana includes in cannabis substance. Cocaine use. Cocaine is one type of drug. Cocaine is the other substance can be used orally, internationally, by smoking or preventively. Understand? The most common form available is cocaine HCI. The common form of cocaine is HCI. The ill effect of cocaine dependence are anxiety, impaired social and occupational. Understand? This is some consequences or results for using cocaine. Functioning, occupational functioning seizure. Understand? Control and eradication of substance abuse. How to control and eradication of substance abuse. Various methods can be used to control and eradicate the substance abuse. There are various methods to control and eradicate the substance abuse. Primary prevention are provision of happy and healthy family life. Share the problem of child and teach him how to solve the problems. Understand? Because someone using drugs to solve their problems, so share the problem of child and teach him how to solve the problems. Avoid bad companionship to prevent bad habits. Understand? Someone takes drugs for their bad companionship. Understand? Women should actively participate in the movements which are working against the substance abuse because they are the real sufferers of the substance abuse of their male family members. Understand? So women should be actively participate the movement to prevent and control the substance abuse. Secondary prevention. Closely monitor the changes in the behavior of an individual. We have to closely monitor the changes in the behavior of an individual. Early detection and treatment of addicts. Proper treatment and specific therapies should be given to prevent complication of disease. Understand? This is the secondary prevention to control and eradication of substance abuse. Tertiary prevention. The provision of treatment in the state of severe dependence, involvement of social agencies for the rehabilitation, provision of rehabilitation measures for the drug addicts. Government have to provide some rehabilitation centers for the drug addicts. This is all about substance abuse.